Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by choosing a pale skin tone and reducing opacity to 30% so the character looks translucent. Select hair in soft white or very light gray and simplify details to avoid busy textures. Remove heavy outlines and set line thickness to 0. Dress the character in white or light gray clothing, favoring flowing skirts or cloaks that suggest motion. Add subtle makeup, soft blue eyeshadow, faint tear lines, and slightly desaturated lips to emphasize otherworldly pallor. Keep accessories minimal. Think a small locket or broken bracelet to hint at backstory. To sell the ghostly feel, add a soft outer glow with a blue tint at roughly 1.5 times the default intensity. Keep glow opacity low so it reads as subtle. Build depth by duplicating the character into 3 semi-transparent layers, offset slightly and set blending to screen or add. Animate these layers with gentle vertical bobbing in cycles of 0.5 to 1 second to simulate floating. Introduce low-density particle effects, tiny motes, drifting ash, or cold mist, placed behind and around the character to suggest presence without cluttering the scene. Complete the build by matching audio and environment. Pick ambient music with low, slow pads around 40 to 60 BPM to echo the floating motion and use sparse, echoing sound effects. Set scene lighting to cool temperatures and dim overall brightness between 20 and 40% so the ghost stands out without harsh contrast. Position one meaningful prop, an old locket, a torn ribbon, to convey history and reveal a concise backstory in one line of dialogue or text during your animation. Test timing so the reveal aligns with a slow camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.